Welcome to the channel, friends. Today we will be going over the mid-month update. We'll figure out what the trends are for market value and number of companies that ARK Invest is invested in. We'll take a look at the biggest moves. We will see whether there are any companies added or removed. And then we will also go over our favorite 7 companies that are in this banner itself. As you can see, Robinhood, DraftKings, Skills, Palantir, Nano Dimension, Coinbase and Tesla, and see how they have been trending for first 15 days of November. So stay with me, please like and subscribe. I'll make it a quick video. Thank you. Welcome back, friends. In ARK Summary section, we keep an eye on overall numbers. So how is the market value doing for the first 15 days of November? So this is mid-month update. It's not been doing so good. As you can see, it has gone down below 40 billion mark to 39.72 billion. So that's not a good news. Let's see how the second half of November is to them. We'll keep an eye on it one day at a time. This is how 39.72 billion divided in the 8 ETFs. These are the number of companies in the 8 ETFs, and it has been going down. They've reduced one more company, so we'll keep an eye on. We'll take a look at which one it is in just a bit. Before that, we'll do the biggest moves. In biggest moves section for the first half of the month, these are the companies which had the biggest moves in market share, in number of shares. Which may or may not be the right way to look at it. So we look at it two ways. One is by market share, one is by shares, number of shares that moved for each position, and then we will look at it by market value as well. So topping the charts there is Toast Inc. This is a new company that they invested in, and they added 400% extra shares in first half of November. Second is Desktop Metal. They're investing a lot in as well. Looks like 61% extra shares added there. 3D System, again 51% extra shares. So both of these are 3D printing companies. Schrödinger 21%, Walt Disney 21%, Genius Sports 20%, Splunk 20%. So very bullish on these companies, looks like, because anything above 20% means they are bullish on it. The threshold we have is 20% just to make it more consumable. And then in terms of negative, we have Pinterest completely removed 100%. Zillow 83% removed, Dreyfus Government Cash 54% removed, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals 47%, Open Door Technologies 40% removed, Pfizer 38% removed, Lockheed 30% removed, and Viva Systems 23% removed. So big changes there as well. Zillow is the one which is removed a lot, just because one of their businesses, which is to buy the property and flip it, to renovate and flip it, they have stopped going into that business completely. And since then, what we have seen is ARK is selling this stock completely. Looks like 83% removed so far, almost $1 billion. This used to be ranked within top 5 ranks or within top 7 ranks, and now it is ranked 60, just because they've removed almost 1 billion worth of value from there. So yeah, 3D Systems, yeah, so that's the biggest move in percentage shares. Let's look at it. Biggest move by market value. Let's make 40 million as the threshold and sort by this, just to see which ones popped up the most. Twilio gaining the most there, stock price going up, and then buying 13% extra shares as well. Unity Software going up, Shopify going up. When I go over these bar charts, you will see more information, and that tells you why it went up. In this case, it's the stock price that went up. Zoom again went up, UiPath went up. Then you have Robinhood stock. They bought a lot more of those. Yeah, 3D as well. We went over that as well. In terms of negative, yep, we saw Zillow, Tesla being negative because they sold a lot of shares, and also stock price is already so high up that it's adjusting slightly there. Teladoc Health also negative. Square, Invitae, Regeneron, Iovance, CRISPR, Spotify, Palantir also going down in value a little bit. Open Door and Ginkgo Bioworks holding as well. So that's the biggest move by shares movement and the market value movement. Now let's take a look at how overall portfolio is looking. More red than green looks like. That's why the market value is down. Then let's take a look at new and removed companies. So these are the new companies. Well, this one is not really new company, but it is probably new because it's added to ARKK also now. So this is new to ARKK. This was probably only in print before, PRNT, or in autonomous system, ARKQ, and hence that's why it's showing up as new. Allogene Therapeutics is new. Great British Pound, Meta Platforms. This is Facebook, obviously. The system thinks it's new because the company name has changed. Minarik AG, new to ARKX. Nextdoor Holdings. This has always been there. The name has changed. The merge has happened with the SPAC, and hence its system think it's new. Facebook, its system think it's removed because it's converted to Meta. Exxon is removed, NanoString Technology is removed, Nvidia is removed, and Khosla Venture merged with Nextdoor Holdings. So that's the new and removed company section. Let's go to daily watch list quickly. Hood 2.38, so almost 2.4 billion shares added for Robinhood. They're buying the dip, looks like. DraftKings 13%, 13.8% extra shares added there. 2.2 million. Skills 1.7 million extra shares added, and Palantir almost a million shares added there as well. Nano Dimension, they are adjusting, so almost half a million reduced, or 400,000 shares removed. Coinbase 5.5% removed, and Tesla 173 thousand shares removed there as well. This is the change in market value because of these changes, changes in the shares, and also the stock price movement, obviously. So that's that, guys. That was mid-month update for you guys. We go into other charts when there is a major movement in one of the stocks. But uh, that's your mid-month update. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep bringing these summaries to you for ARK Invest data. Thank you so much.